everybody, this is Elise for In the Snow magazine. We're here in La Clusaz after a week of snow jumping every day, and conditions are incredible. We're skiing amongst free-riding legends, and then I thought let's get on the bigger skis, which is how I put my hands on the Armada ARV 116 JJ, which is one of the biggest skis for women those days. It has 116 millimeters underfoot and has proper rockers, as you can see. This is really the one ski you want to bring to all destinations with powder, and it's not going to disappoint you. It's really so much fun to just bounce from one pillow to another and then just make your ways into the trees. The shear technology here on the edges in both front and end allow you to have this little washer feeling. So it really makes you able to pivot and have fun on any type of playground. It is full wood core, so it's not too heavy, really manageable and quite soft, really. So yeah, I cannot recommend it enough for anybody who's willing to get on a good powder day.